Hi, it's Sandra here, and thanks for coming over to take a look at my review of Miracle AI. Before we get into the actual review, I just want to let you know that I've got over $1,100 of free bonuses available if you pick up the product via my link today. The first bonus is going to be a $427.95 value, and that's going to give you access to Fiverr and show you how to get set up on it the correct way. The second bonus is going to be a tutorial and give you access to the lockdown formula, and that is a $46.95 value. The third bonus is a $344.95 bonus, and it's going to give you access to the content curation hack. Okay, and the fourth bonus is a $267 value, and that's going to give you access to Gemini. The fifth bonus is a $197 value, and that's going to give you access to all of the additional bonuses available from the vendor today. Okay, now I'm going to show you a demo video of how the Miracle AI process works, and at the end of that video, if you would come back and click on the subscribe button and purchase the product via either one of the links here, any one of the green buttons, you're going to get access to those free bonuses that I showed you earlier, as well as all of the bonuses from the vendor. So see you on the inside.
Stop, life-changing information ahead. Imagine that minutes from now you could start using the world's premier DeepAI and machine learning powered ChatGPT killer app. It turns any keyword or voice command into top-quality AI-generated PLR content, like limitless PLR websites and funnels, limitless PLR videos, images and audios, limitless PLR products, ebooks and articles. 50,000 plus products with unlimited PLR license are also included, and with all of it you can start your own PLR agency. You can get free and autopilot traffic from it, you can create a recurring income stream. It will instantly boost your traffic, leads and commissions on complete autopilot. Sounds amazing? Because it is. Not using PLR in your online business in 2023 and 2024 is like throwing money away. And you've seen all the AI success stories. AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. But why deep AI and machine learning, and why now? Well, it produces high quality PLR content like websites, funnels, videos, images, software and much more. And it's 1,000,000 times faster and precise than any human alive. It saves you time and money all day, every day. In other words, start using AI now or stay behind forever. Combined with PLR, it gives you the ultimate edge. However, AI comes with some problems too. It's expensive, and until today only well-established business owners could use it to its full potential. It can be very expensive, anywhere from $240 to $1,299 per year. PLR websites can and will charge you thousands on expensive recurring fees. Here are a few examples, anywhere from $147 to $3,500 per year. But wait, there's a better way. Yes, today you can get access to all the premium AI features together with top PLR products without losing your shirt. Introducing Miracle AI, world's premier fully powered by deep AI and machine learning app that creates mind-blowing PLR content with lifetime usage. Stop worrying about the limitations and monthly payments for ChatGPT and PLR websites once and for all. Instantly create and sell limitless and credible PLR websites, PLR funnels, PLR software, PLR videos, images, courses, audios, and more to hordes of hungry audiences. Click one button to automatically add your affiliate link to 50,000 plus done for your PLR assets included like courses, articles, audio content, ebooks, training, videos, software, scripts, themes, plugins, and more. Freelancers and affiliates make an average of $1,000 per day this way with the built-in traffic source. Just take a look how much freelancers are charging for a website. Anywhere from $1,500 to $4,500. And the important question is, are you happy with how much you're currently earning online, and more importantly, could you earn more? AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too, as well as PLR. Minutes from now you could get access to the world's first and only AI app fully powered by deep AI and machine learning. It creates, designs and sells done for you PLR websites, funnels, videos, images, software and more with a single keyword or a voice command. A regular person says, so what? But smart marketers like you and I ask, how can I profit from that? We've spent no expense developing it, so you can finally see results with AI combined with PLR without ever overpaying for it. Yes, we've done all the hard work for you. It's literally a business in a box. You can use a keyword or voice commands. This will instantly create all the PLR content you need: websites, images, videos, code, etc. 10 seconds is all it takes. Ready-made, done for you PLR content in a blink of an eye. Profit big. Use your freshly created content to drive traffic, get leads, generate commissions, or simply sell it to your clients. Say goodbye to worries and frustrations. It's your time to win. No more poor quality PLR content. No more weird looking PLR images. No more unengaging PLR videos. No more problems with copyright. No more freelancers or agencies. No more translators or other experts. This app is all you need to finally start seeing real results while lowering your monthly costs to zero. Merkle AI unleashes the power of AI with PLR in any niche in just 3 steps. Step 1. Log into the members area, select a done-for-you template, keyword, or use a voice command. Step 2. Let Merkle AI create content for you in 30 seconds. Step 3. Copy, paste, and profit. All of this with a few clicks of your mouse and with zero tech experience needed. And the best part, during this initial launch period, you can grab your copy for as low as $17. Pay once, use forever. Here's exactly what you're getting today with Merkle AI. One-click PLR websites, funnels, images, videos, content, software, and more. A free commercial license, a free white label license, video training, no monthly charges, and 8 fast action bonuses. Free to use yourself in any niche and free to sell to your clients. You set the price here. All of this and much more for a silly low one-time fee during the launch period only. And yes, if you will act right now, we will include a free commercial license for a very limited time only. This means you can create limitless PLR content for your clients and charge them $1,000 a pop or even monthly. But you need to hurry. This amazing opportunity is available for a low one-time fee for a very limited time. After the initial launch period, we reserve the right to start charging a monthly fee for access to Merkle AI, and we'll be removing the commercial license. However, if you'll join right now, you're still getting the best deal ever. And of course, you are fully protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee. Yes, we are putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Merkle AI, and if you don't like it, we'll send your money back. What you need to do right now is take action. Hurry if you want to get in for a low one-time fee, plus get a commercial license included for free. Click on the Buy Now button below and we will personally connect with you on the next page.